To keep your electronics safe, the finest power inverters should have a high wattage, lots of outlets, and resistance to overloads, short circuits, and high temperatures. A decent power inverter can take DC electricity and convert it to AC power. Pure sine waves are produced by higher quality inverters, resulting in higher quality electricity that may be used with more sensitive electrical equipment. The Krieger, billed as the world's smallest 1100 watts power inverter, is more than capable of powering tiny appliances and devices. The Krieger is housed in a heavy-duty aluminum housing that should endure for years and displays all necessary information on an LCD display, including output wattage, input voltage, and battery level. It's perfect for charging power equipment, as well as televisions, game consoles, and other appliances like microwaves. It features 2,200 watts of peak power. The two conventional AC 12 volts outlets on either of the twin USB charging ports that pump out 2.1 make it equally appropriate for charging smartphones or tablets, making it easy to plug any of those items into the Krieger. It comes with a 3-year guarantee from Krieger. Vestec is one of the most well-known and well-respected companies in the power inverter industry, and their 300 watts device is a highlight for consumers searching for a tiny option. It's approximately the size of a smartphone. The Vestec contains two 110 volts AC outlets for charging gadgets such as laptops, as well as twin USB charging ports for smartphones and tablets. The Vestec's compact footprint, along with a supplied 2-foot cigarette converter connection, allows it to fit into practically any type of vehicle, making it an excellent choice for camping or holiday. Both the automobile and the plugged-in gadgets are protected against overheating, overloading, and overcharging, thanks to a built-in 40-amp fuse and an inbuilt cooling fan. The Vestec's sturdy metal casing guarantees it can withstand a few drops and knocks. The Ampeak 2000-watt power inverter can deliver up to 4,000 surge watts of power. Cell phones, digital cameras, electrical fans, refrigerators, floodlights, microwaves, and other equipment that could be found in an RV will all operate with the 3 AC outlets and one 2.1 a USB outlet. The Ampeak provides some nice safety for any of your devices, including 3 cooling fans and a loud warning to rapidly notify you to overloads, overvoltage, or overheating. Another significant advantage of the Ampeak 2000 watts is its ability to connect to a 12 volts battery system, allowing it to aid in delivering additional power for your requirements during situations such as hurricanes or storms, where power outages are common. When traveling across town or across the nation, you can never go wrong with having too much electricity on you. The POTEK 500 watts is an excellent choice for consumers seeking power inverters that are scaled correctly for a car and can power a variety of gadgets and handheld devices. The POTEK 500 watts, with its dual 110 volts AC outlets and 2 USB connections, is more than capable of powering a laptop, Kindle, iPad, or several cell phones. The built-in cooling fan keeps all of these charges running at the same time without causing any damage, ensuring that no devices or the POTEK itself become overheated or overloaded. The POTEK fits in most glove compartments or center consoles, measuring 7.1 by 4.1 by 2.2 inches in size, making it a must-have for anybody who spends a significant amount of time in a car. The REZY 2000 watts pure sine wave power inverter is a jack-of-all-trades power inverter. It's designed for a 12 VDC system and has DC input and AC output overload safety. It contains LED indications for undervoltage, overvoltage, overtemperature, overload, and short circuit protection, as well as undervoltage, overvoltage, overtemperature, overload, and short circuit protection. There are also high-speed ventilation fans and a ground fault circuit interrupter integrated into the machine to avoid overheating and short circuits. The REZY 2000 watts has enough power to run tools, fans, lights, and other gadgets. Finally, it contains a built-in 5V/2.1a USB connector as well as an AC hardwire port to accommodate all of your demands and gadgets.